long do withdrawals take on Weltrade? Well, in today's video, we're going to try and withdraw some money from Weltrade and see how long it takes. Okay, so as usual, all you have to do is simply go to finance page and then go to withdraw. Okay, and withdrawing to a Visa card, the minimum I can withdraw is $10. Cryptocurrencies is 15, Screw 5, Binance Pay is 2. So I think I'm going to withdraw using Binance Pay. And what I'm going to do is I'll click on Binance Pay here. So I already have my Binance Pay wallet added to this account. So now all I have to do is simply enter in the amount we'd like to withdraw. So I'm going to withdraw from my Pro account, which has got $6.16. So let me just enter that 6.16, and all I have to do is click on continue. So I'm going to receive 6.16, and they're saying there's a 1.25% commission fee, which is really small, and it's okay. Then I'll click on continue. So let me just check my email and confirm that I really want to withdraw. Okay, so the withdrawal has been processed. So they're saying withdrawals will be processed within 30 minutes. All right, so let me also start the countdown on my phone. So right now the time is what time and date is today. Okay, so today is Tuesday, 4th March 2025, and the current time is 21:22 p.m. in the night, which is correct with the time on my laptop here. Okay, so at 21:22, I've initiated a withdrawal. So let us wait for the withdrawal to be sent to me. Okay, so I've received the withdrawal, and here is the notification here, and I used Binance Pay. So this is the notification in the top right corner here. Okay, so if I refresh this page, should be able to see my new balance, which is $6, 6.07. So we were told that this entire thing was going to take 30 minutes. Well, to be exactly, it has only taken 31 minutes. Yeah, 31 minutes. So if I go back to the website right now, okay, so right now the time is 21:55, and it has only taken 31 minutes. So they are only late by 1 minute, which is okay. So unlike other brokers where it takes actually days for you to receive a withdrawal, I'm proudly happy to say that Weltrade is one of those fastest brokers out there that will guarantee you that you're going to receive the money within the time that they have specified themselves. So this is it about this video. If you learned something from it, give it a like. If you're interested in joining Weltrade, the link is in the description. If you need any help, feel free to contact me. Bye for now. This is Keith.